first I'm just kind of running the sticks together to add friction. Keep on.
First you have to find a couple sticks of some sort. Kind of maybe want to peel them a little bit, but we was kind of in a hurry to try to see if we can start this fire. Kind of rub them together a little bit. Is this how you do it? You're trying to build up some friction for your fire. Here we have a miniature fire. Well, the start of the fire that we're going to be building, that we're going to be learning how to build. It is going to be pretty interesting, pretty neat. Gonna get a few more sticks to rub together and start this fire before the nighttime hits.